Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to filter contacts in HubSpot. So to do that, first go to HubSpot.com and log in with your account. Click on login, and I'm going to log in with my Google account. Alright, so once we're here, all you have to do is click on contacts and then go to contacts again. And as you can see, there are various filters that you can play around with. I'm just going to select any filter. So let's scroll down and select this. So there are no contacts matching this filter. So you can also see there are advanced filters that you can play around with. You can see a lot of filters that you can use to filter contacts on HubSpot. So that is how you can use filters in your HubSpot, and that is how you can filter your contacts in HubSpot. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.